There's all kinds of stories out there how these dinosaurs acted and behaved. Most of them come from the movies, like Jurassic Park. How many of you guys seen Jurassic Park, especially the first one? Oh, about all of you. And remember Jurassic Park, one of the dinosaurs, one of the mean ones, was Tyrannosaurus Rex, all right? Running around killing everything. But who was the really mean, nasty ones in that movie? The raptors, the Velociraptors, yeah. They said they were the meanest, nastiest, most ferocious creatures that have ever roamed the earth. Well, where did they get that idea? Well, what they found was some bones, and they found a claw. And here's a replica of the claw of Velociraptor that they made of the movie of, right? There it is, right there. Now, from that claw, they say that was the meanest, nastiest, most ferocious creature that has ever roamed the earth. Well, can a claw tell you that? How many of you guys have dogs and cats at home? You have dogs and cats? Sharp claws, sharp teeth, all right? So you're real nervous at night? When you go to bed at night, do you lock your bedroom door, pull the covers over your head, shake and all night, just afraid that cat or dog's going to come rip your belly out in the middle of the night because he has a sharp claw? Are you worried about that? No. Are there other purposes for sharp claws than ripping out the bellies of animals? Well, there is, isn't there? If you guys take a look at these really sharp claws here, all right, take a good look. What do they belong to? Well, those are ferocious claws, so it must be a ferocious creature of some kind. Some kids say it's a velociraptor. It's not. Some say it's an eagle. It's not. Some say a hawk. It's not. Some say an owl. It's not. Somebody say a chicken. A chicken. It's not. Okay? All right? What these belong to, guys, is a blue jay. A what? A sharp claws like that on a blue jay? Do you guys know what blue jays eat? They're seed eaters. All they eat is seeds. So why didn't they eat sharp claws? Are those seeds so mean and nasty they have to fight those seeds before they can eat them? No. See, there's another purpose for sharp claws. These are perfect for perching. He uses these for hanging on the limbs and twigs, things like that. You'll see, there's different purposes for claws other than ripping bellies.